Hey coffee lovers, check out the Bincoo Coffee Knock Box, designed with premium ABS material for lasting durability. Its 1.2-liter capacity is perfect for collecting coffee grounds without taking up too much space. The inclined opening prevents messy splashes, keeping your countertop clean and tidy. Featuring a silent rubber knock bar, it absorbs impact quietly to avoid disturbing others nearby. The non-slip silicone bottom keeps it stable on any smooth surface, protecting your tables from scratches. Plus, the removable knock bar and attachable design make storage easy and space-saving. This knock box is a perfect addition for home, office, or cafe coffee setups. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.